If you feel like you're posting on social media but nothing is really happening, you're not alone. Likes come and go, views fluctuate, and sales still feel far away. In this video, you will learn how to grow your business with social media. Growing a business with social media starts with clarity. You need to know exactly why you are using social media and who you are talking to. When your goal is clear, your content becomes focused. Instead of trying to be active on every platform, smart businesses choose one or two platforms where their audience already spends time. Consistency matters more than frequency. Posting regularly with useful content builds familiarity and trust over time. Content that educates, explains, or solves problems performs better than content that only promotes products. Simple language always wins because people scroll fast and want instant understanding. Stories, real-life examples, and behind-the-scenes moments make your brand human and relatable. Showing your face and sharing your journey helps people connect with you, not just your business. Engagement is a two-way street. Replying to comments, answering messages, and asking questions shows that you care. Interactive features like polls and questions increase reach naturally. Trends can help, but only when they fit your niche and message. Strong openings, clear visuals, and a consistent brand style make your content recognizable. Over time, this clarity and consistency create a foundation where people remember you, trust you, and keep coming back. Social media growth becomes powerful when value comes before selling. Businesses that focus on helping first always sell more later. Sharing practical tips, common mistakes, and step-by-step guidance positions you as a trusted authority. Showing real results, customer feedback, and honest wins and failures builds credibility faster than polished ads. Reusing high-performing content in different formats saves time and improves reach. Analytics should guide your decisions, not emotions. When you track what works and what doesn't, growth becomes predictable. Studying competitors is useful, but copying never works long-term. Improving on ideas with your own voice does. Collaboration with similar creators introduces your business to new audiences without paid ads. Paid promotions only work when your organic foundation is strong. Your story matters as much as your product, because people buy from brands they trust. Daily engagement with your audience and your community keeps your visibility high. Simplicity in visuals and messaging keeps attention strong. Social media rewards patience and consistency, not perfection. Every post should deliver one clear message with a reason to act. When emotion and value are combined, content gets shared, saved, and remembered. Businesses that treat social media as a long-term relationship, not a quick win, are the ones that grow steadily and sustainably.